Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, I don't know what I'm doing in this video. I decided to put the camera on and record. I actually wanted to try this glitter under, like right under here. I want to see how it would look. So let's get a little mirror and let's play. Hey guys, y'all already know I told y'all I would give y'all a video. I don't know what direction this video is going, but I know I'm going to put it up on YouTube. And yeah, so let's try this. I really want to try this glitter. I don't know, for some reason I'm just getting a vibe for under the eye with this glitter, and it's definitely a vibe. This is the NYX Liquid Crystal Body Liner. So yeah, I know this might sound crazy, but I noticed that there was a big trend for this dumpster diving. So guess what I did the other day? I went dumpster diving. Yes, I went dumpster diving at ULTA, and I got a couple things. And this right here is one of them. Yeah, so I'm trying it out right now with you guys, which I actually like, honestly. We're flipping cute. I'm gonna do the other one just like it. I'm gonna show you what else I got from dumpster diving. Honestly, I see a lot of YouTubers dumpster diving, so I was like, hey, why not try it out? I went after work and decided to give it a try, and I came across some good stuff. I'm gonna show you what I got. The only thing that I don't understand about it is, why do they throw away so much good makeup? It's like they literally destroy the makeup. Like, I feel like just leave it intact and let people actually come and just go through it and take it. This is hella freaking cute. Like, seriously. So, like I said, I had got this dumpster diving. And it's so freaking cute. Like, how cute is this glitter under my eyes? Like, seriously. That's a look. Also, when I went dumpster diving, I got this perfume. Literally, this is like a full bottle of perfume, and it smells so good. This is by Kate Spade, New York. So freaking cute. Also, I had got this foundation, and so surprisingly, it's my color, and I have it on right now. This is Reveline Photo Ready Airbrush Effect. This is in the color Cappuccino. Yeah, and let me see. I got some other stuff down here. Ay, ay, ay. So I got this concealer as well. This is the Creaseless Concealer, and this is by Tarte, I believe. And this is in the color Fair. I'm just gonna give you guys this. See? I think like I would use this for a base if I was doing a cut crease or something. So yeah. And I also had got this brush. They had a Naked palette, but they destroyed it so bad that I couldn't even save it. But I did get this brush as well. And also I found this palette. This was the only one that I could have had saved. And this is from, I think it's from BH Cosmetics. It's destroyed so badly, but I do believe it's from BH Cosmetics. And they have a couple colors that I saved. So I was like, you know what, I could definitely use this. And what else I got? I got this liner. So cute, right? Found that as well. And what else? This It's Cosmetic brow little pencil thing. I was able to save that. And oh yeah, this is lash and brow. It's like a color thing. Like if you wanted to color your brows and your lashes or whatever. I probably would never use this, honestly. And a blue eyeliner pencil from L'Oreal Paris in the color blue. So yeah, that's everything that I got dumpster diving for this week. And yeah, I'm obsessed with this glitter. Like, damn, this shit looks so freaking cute. Wow, guys, try it. You guys always ask me where I get my wigs from. I tell y'all this like in every other video. I order all my wigs off of AliExpress. I do not spend over $200 on no wig, okay? I don't do it. I be getting inches for the low, and I be putting y'all on, but y'all don't be paying attention, okay? I will put the link to where I got this wig from. But honestly, guys, I cut this wig. I did this bang, I cut it this short and all that stuff. It did not come like this, and I colored it. So, but I will give you guys the link to this bob wig that I have on right now. It's from AliExpress, and you would not spend over $200 for this wig at all, okay? I'm putting y'all on. Just follow the link. Don't forget that I sell lashes. Go head over to my website at Lux Lash Bar. Well, go head over to my Instagram at Lux Lash Bar. Head over to my website at Goes of Glam and purchase you some lashes. Y'all be over here playing cute. I've been wearing these lashes for like the past couple weeks, and you guys love these lashes. And okay, I don't have these lashes right now. These lashes was from the Fox Mink collection, but that's currently sold out and I haven't restocked it as of yet. But the closest that I can think of for you guys is in the style Sky. So head over to the website right now. All lashes are $10. Spend $20 or more and you get free shipping, okay? Same day shipping when you order before 4 p.m. Okay, and depending on your location, you might receive 1 to 3 days, okay? Fast shipping, fast shipping. Okay, fast shipping. I'm really loving this glitter. It's so freaking cute. Video, I'm gonna try to do a makeup tutorial this week actually, because I know you guys want to see my updated makeup tutorial on how I do my makeup and all that good stuff. But I'm gonna end this video right now. Thank you guys for watching, basically watching me rumble my mouth about nothing. But don't forget to subscribe, comment, give me a thumbs up if you're rocking with the kid. Okay, I will see you guys next time. I'm probably gonna post a video tomorrow. Literally, I'm gonna give y'all videos back to back. Okay, so just support me. I love you guys so much. Like, y'all already know I'm gonna be forever humble. Like, trust me, when I make it, y'all make it, we make it, okay? Because y'all already know I'm not Hollywood. I'm on, y'all on. We Goes of Glam. GOG squad. All right, later, guys. Love you.